Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers.
Hey kids! We will explore different vehicles that people use in many countries. Double-decker bus. This is a double-decker bus. It has 2 floors and carries many passengers. These buses are very famous in London, UK. Tuk-tuk. This is a tuk-tuk. It's a small 3-wheeler taxi used in Thailand. It's colorful and fun to ride. Gondola. This is a gondola. It's a boat used in Venice, Italy. People ride it through the beautiful canals. Rickshaw. This is a rickshaw. It's a 3-wheeled vehicle used for short rides in India. It's a very common city transport. Yellow taxi. This is a yellow taxi. It's used in New York City for picking up passengers. These taxis are easy to spot on busy roads. Cable car. This is a cable car. It runs on tracks and climbs steep hills in San Francisco. It's one of the city's most famous rides. Bullet train. This is a bullet train. It's super fast and travels across Japan. Camel cart. This is a camel cart. People in Egypt use it to travel in desert areas. Snowmobile. This is a snowmobile. It's used in snowy places like Canada. It moves quickly over snow and ice. Safari jeep. This is a safari jeep. It's used in Africa for watching wild animals in the jungle. It's strong and open from the top. Auto rickshaw. This is an auto rickshaw. It's a 3-wheeled taxi seen on every street in Pakistan. It's noisy but fun for kids. Tram. This is a tram. It runs on tracks and carries people around cities in Germany. It's quiet and smooth. Motorbike taxi. This is a motorbike taxi. It's common in Vietnam and helps people travel quickly in traffic. Longtail boat. This is a longtail boat. It's used in Thailand's rivers and beaches. It has a long propeller tail. Dog sled. This is a dog sled. It's pulled by dogs on snow in Alaska. It's used in cold weather adventures. Hot air balloon. This is a hot air balloon. People fly in it over Cappadocia, Turkey. It goes high up in the sky, so colorful and fun. Jeepney. This is a jeepney. It's a colorful minibus in the Philippines. Kids love its bright and fun designs. Horse carriage. This is a horse carriage. It's used for tours in Vienna, Austria. Horses pull the carriage slowly through the city. Electric scooter. This is an electric scooter. People use it for short rides in big cities. It's fast, quiet, and fun to drive.